Today I'll be making sweet potato brownies using peanut butter, or you can use cookie butter in its place if you're into peanuts, as well as a sweet potato, maple syrup, as well as cocoa powder, using my PowerChef system and the breakfast maker. While inside the breakfast maker, put the sweet potato inside of there, put the lid on it. Place the breakfast maker inside your microwave. And set the timer to 7.5 minutes. Once it's done, make sure to be very careful because they will be hot. Once you pull out the sweet potatoes out of the breakfast maker, make sure that you peel it, the skins off. And while your sweet potatoes are cooking in the microwave, go ahead and prep the rest of your ingredients. So put 1/3 cup of your cocoa powder inside your PowerChef system. If you don't have one of these, please ask me how to get one of these awesome tools. And your 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Once you've added your 1/3 cup of your maple syrup, go ahead and pull out your peanut butter or your cookie butter if you're allergic to peanuts like myself, and add 1/2 cup of your peanut butter or cookie butter into the PowerChef system. Now go ahead and add your peeled hot sweet potatoes. Like I said, they're pretty hot, so be careful when you take them out. And put the lid on the PowerChef. And once the lid is on there securely, start pulling on the tugging string and start tugging away. After mixing it, it should be looking nice and smooth looking. So go ahead and take the mixture out of the PowerChef and place it inside the breakfast maker. Once you've smoothed the mixture inside the breakfast maker, go ahead and place it inside your microwave. And once you have placed it in the microwave, go ahead and set your timer to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, look how delicious it turns out. Nice and thick sweet potato brownies. Yum.